News, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, मोदी जी का गारंटी, मोदी जी का।
Washington March on the monument from Capitol Hill to Monument. The march is going on from Capitol Hill to Monument.
Form the line, form the two lines.
There is Sony, and all of them are here. Men, women and children. And Sony ji here. And many others are here. You can see all of them right there, marching for BJP, for Modi ji का परिवार. That's what they did about scores of people are here, and even
Okay, one second. Okay. After this red, we can. Okay. Until that, we'll stand here.
in the capital here. Overseas friends of BJP. You can see they are all coming here.
Watch out. Sit down. Watch out here. Okay, watch. जरूर
नहीं पक्का ना,
ये पक्का ऑडियो भी है आपको एडिशनल ऑडियो भी है
No, I don't give my audio. I don't love that much. I don't want that.
चाय समोसा तो है
I'll keep it right back.
अभी जोर
मोदी का परिवार अब की बार 400.
मोदी जी
अब की बार 400 पार. ये है हमारे डॉक्टर डापा जी वॉकिंग from Capitol Hill to the monument live. This is to support the Modi Parivar and also peaceful rally against corruption in India, against the corrupt politicians who are some of them in jail.
बार मोदी सरकार, अब की बार 400 पार. बार मोदी सरकार, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है. अब की बार 400 पार, अब की बार 400 पार. मोदी 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 मोदी. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत बार 400 पार अब की बार 400 पार अब की बार 400 पार
Yeah. So Indian diaspora in United States across all east, west and north, south in about more than 15 cities today they are doing Modi Ka Parivar March. And here we are in Washington DC, just backside of the Capitol Hill and in front of the Washington Monument. We are doing this march for Modi Sarkar Ab Ki Baar 400 Par, to have Modi ji continue as Prime Minister of India and take India to be the third largest economy.
भारत माता की
Good question, because he is the only Prime Minister so far who has taken India leaps and bounds in every single sector. Every single ministry has achieved so much in the last 10 years that no other government could achieve for India in the last 70 years. India became the fifth largest economy in his tenure, and we are looking forward to be India the third largest economy in his next tenure. And also the US-India relations peaked so much that this is the highest for the last 70 years and will be more strategically important for the United States. So only Modi ji can achieve that. Modi ji has laid down the infrastructure and all the necessary things for the platform to take off India to the next level. So the next one is the most implementation part of the phase of Modi ji's tenure.
Washington DC area. I'm representing the Washington DC overseas BJPs. We are thrilled that Modi ji has accomplished a lot of economic opportunities for the Indian government. I hope he can accomplish another monuments, achievements next coming 5 years. We support him. We wish him good luck.
I request every member of the Indian American community here in the United States, if they want Modi ji to be the next Prime Minister again and take India to the next level, please call your friends and family back home and ask them to vote for Modi ji. Take breakfast early in the morning and go early to vote for Modi.
भारत माता की अब की बार अब की बार
मातरम मातरम वंदे मातरम बार बार मोदी सरकार भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
Namaste, my name is Adapa Prasad. I'm National President of Overseas Friends of BJP. Today, April 7th, Sunday, we are doing Modi Ka Parivar March across United States in more than 15 cities. This is in support of Modi ji, Ab Ki Baar 400 Par. We are the entire Indian American community, the Indian diaspora is so motivated and enthusiastic for Modi ji and to see Modi ji back as the Prime Minister of India, and looking forward to India getting the third largest economy status. So we have seen so much progress under Modi ji, and the entire diaspora is very excited about that, and I request the friends and family of ours in India back home to vote for Modi ji.
Namaste, my name is Radesh Nair. I am here representing the Kerala community. This time we are expecting more seats from Kerala. So far we haven't had any seats in Kerala for Parliament, but we have very high expectation now, especially Trivandrum, the capital city, Thrissur, Sri Suresh Gobiji and so many other seats. So we are hoping for the best. Jai Jai Modi ji.
My name is Kamaljeet Singh Soni, and I'm here today on behalf of OFBJP celebrating Modi ji's Parivar walk from the reflection pool to Washington Monument. We have about a couple of 200 people here gathered in support of the Prime Minister, and we want that he will get the third term also, and he will do good for the country. Till now, in 10 years, he has proved himself that he can do a lot of things for India, and also
his relations with America, we approve it and we like it. And Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.